So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you're going to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. This should now fix your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, once you're on Google Chrome, you're going to click on the three dots in the top right. Now you're going to click on settings. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on privacy and security. Now you're going to click on delete browsing data. You're going to set your time range to all time. Now you're going to select cookies and cache. So you're going to select both of these. And you can untick everything else if you want to, but you want to select cookies and cache and then click on delete data. See if that works for you. For the next method, on the left hand side, you're going to click on about Chrome. It's now going to start checking for updates. Make sure that your Google Chrome is fully up to date. See if that works. Now for the last method, you're going to click on reset settings. And now you're going to click on restore settings to their original defaults, which is now going to fully reset Google Chrome. And you can untick this box if you want to, and then click on reset settings, which will now fully reset Google Chrome. Now hopefully one of these methods would have now fixed your problem.